Good morning class, this is your English language class and we are doing chapter 6 more than and most. It is also called comparisons. Okay, so as I told you in the previous class, there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. In the positive degree we only describes about the adjective, and in the comparative degree we make a comparison between the two people, animals or things, and in that case we add er to the describing word. Okay, like this: tall becomes taller, sweet becomes sweeter, dirty becomes dirtier. जब हम दो चीज़ों के बीच में कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो हम डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड में ई आर ऐड कर देते हैं, एंड व्हेन वी compare more than two things, then that is called superlative degree, and in that case we add est to the describing word. उस केस में हम describing word में est ऐड करते हैं. बट with some describing words we use more and most. कुछ describing words ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें हम more और most का यूज़ करते हैं. we didn't add er और est to it, we use more and most. Some describing words are helpful, powerful, beautiful, careful, interesting, useful, delicious. We add more in the comparative form, and in the superlative one we add most to the describing word. Okay, in the previous class we had already done the explanation of this chapter, and in the last class we had done exercise A. Okay, so today we are going to do exercise B of this chapter. So come to the exercise B, which is given on page number 19. Tick the correct answers to complete these sentences. Here are some sentences given and there are options given in these sentences. We have to tick the correct option to make these sentences complete. Okay, so number 1 is I am Rohan's young or younger brother. So I am Rohan's younger brother. This one is already done for you. I am Rohan's younger brother. Now next is my sister is now taller or more tall than my father. Here we are comparing between sister and father. So this is the comparative degree, and here we are using the word tall. So two options are given: taller and more tall. We don't use more with the tall. We add er to the word tall in the comparative degree. So my sister is now taller than my father. So we mark a tick for the taller. My sister is now taller than my father. Next one is Paro's drawing is more colorful or colorful than Joseph. Here also we are comparing between the Paro's drawing and Joseph's drawing. So this is also a comparative one, and with the word colorful we use more in the comparative degree. So Paro's drawing is more colorful than Joseph. Paro's drawing is more colorful than Joseph. Next one is Mount Etna is the most dangerous, more dangerous or most dangerous volcano in Italy. यहाँ इटली के सारे माउंटेन्स की बात हो रही है, तो this is the superlative degree. Here we are not comparing between two. Here we are talking as a whole of Italy. Okay, so Mount Etna is the more dangerous or most dangerous. In the superlative we use most dangerous. Mount Etna is the most dangerous volcano in Italy. Now come to number 5. The book is more interesting or interesting than the films. So in the fifth sentence we are comparing between the two, the book and the film. So this is the comparative degree. Comparative degree में हम दो चीज़ों के बीच में comparison करते हैं. Okay, So the book is more interesting or interesting than the film. In the comparative, we use more with the word interesting. So the book is more interesting than the film. Number 6 is a bus is bigger or more bigger than a car. Here also we are comparing between a bus and a car. So this is also a comparative degree. A bus is bigger or more bigger than a car. A bus is more bigger than a car. Now number 7, the dolphin is the more intelligent or most intelligent animal in the sea. We are talking about all the animals of the sea here. So it is a superlative degree. So in the superlative one we used most. The dolphin is the more intelligent or most intelligent? It is most intelligent animal in the sea. The dolphin is the most intelligent animal in the sea. Now number 8, cycling is easier or easy than swimming. Here also we are comparing between two, that is cycling and swimming. So this is a comparative degree. Cycling is easier or easy than swimming. Cycling is easier than swimming. In the comparative degree we add er with the word. So cycling is easier than swimming. Next is number 9. Xenia is the more careful or most careful person I have met. They are talking about all the person they met. वो आज तक जितने भी लोगों से मिले हैं उसके अंदर जीनिया उनको कैसी लगी? मोर केयरफुल और मोस्ट केयरफुल. क्या आएगा? हेयर वी आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग बिटवीन टू, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एज अ होल. सो जीनिया इज द मोस्ट केयरफुल पर्सन आई हैव met. Next is the new rocket is most powerful or more powerful than the old one. Here we are comparing between new rocket and old rocket. So this is the comparative form, and in the comparative form we use more. The new rocket is more powerful than the old one. Okay, now I am going to repeat it for you all once again. Number 1, I am Rohan's younger brother. Number 2, my sister is now taller than my father. Number 3, Paro's drawing is more colorful than Joseph's. Number 4, Mount Etna is the most dangerous volcano in Italy. Number 5, the book is more interesting than the film. Number 6, the bus is more bigger than a car. Number 7, the dolphin is the most intelligent animal in the sea. Number 8, cycling is easier than swimming. Number 9, Xenia is the most careful person I have met. Number 10, the new rocket is more powerful than the old one. So this is the exercise B of chapter 6. This exercise you have to do it in your books only, okay? So class, this is the end of chapter 6. This is all for today. Thank you.